Today we'll talk about how can you disable your upgrades notifications on your eToro app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. Then you come to next here, then all you have to do, so just click here on notifications here. When you just click on notifications, it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on clip here, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to your upgrades here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That means your upgrades notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.